So this welder came on a really nice cart. The problem is it's too big to fit anywhere in my garage. I plan to weld up a proper cart for this really nice welder at some point in the future, maybe this winter or next spring. But for now, I just need the welder to be small enough that I can jam it somewhere in my garage because it's fall and winter's coming. If you've never seen a plug like this before, it's very similar to the type that you would use for like an electric range in your kitchen or some other high current appliance that you would plug in. The connector is rated for 50 amps at 220 volts AC, which is what I need. The nice thing is these are so plentiful in the States. The plugs are like $8 and the jacks are like $12. It's really cheap. So I was checking to see how long the electrode and ground cable were that I got with the welder. They are way too long. They went all the way across the street to the neighbor's front yard. So I kind of laid them out here and then cut them down to a more practical length for me. Now that I'm confident in this welder, I really wanted to put it through its paces. My dad gave me a nice assortment of starter sticks to try different sizes. I went through various sizes from very small rod, like less than 1/8 of an inch, all the way up to very big stuff, like 3/16, varying DC positive, DC negative, and AC at different current settings too, trying to get a feel for how this welder behaves. I had a good old time welding this thing, but overall I'm really happy with my $55 purchase. I think all in, I think I've spent $100 on it in paint, caster wheels, and replacement parts, but all in all, this was a huge win. I could never have afforded a welder like this had I gone out and bought one new. You saw in the first part, it's $5,100 for a new one from Lincoln. So once again, I won at the auction big time. I had no idea what I was getting into, but I'm really happy I did. Thanks for watching.